Can biomarkers lead to personalized Parkinson's medicine? Imagine a future where your treatment for Parkinson's disease is tailored just for you, based on your unique biology. That future is becoming more possible thanks to advances in biomarker research. Biomarkers are measurable signs that tell us about what is happening inside the body. In Parkinson's disease, these can include molecules in the blood or cerebrospinal fluid, imaging results, genetic information, or even digital data from devices. Researchers are exploring how these markers can help us understand the disease better and improve care. One of the most exciting areas is early diagnosis. Scientists have identified certain proteins, like misfolded alpha-synuclein, which can be detected in cerebrospinal fluid using special tests. These tests can find Parkinson's pathology even before symptoms show up, opening the door for earlier intervention. Early diagnosis can be crucial because it might slow disease progression and improve quality of life. Biomarkers also help us understand how the disease has advanced. For example, combining clinical symptoms with imaging scans that show dopamine transporter levels or alpha-synuclein deposits allows doctors to classify Parkinson's into different stages more accurately. This helps in choosing the right treatments and in designing clinical trials that target specific disease stages. Monitoring how the disease progresses is another key benefit. Fluid tests, brain scans, and even digital tools like handwriting analysis can provide objective data on how Parkinson's is changing over time. This information allows healthcare providers to adjust treatments more precisely, moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach. Genetics plays a role too. Researchers have identified genetic mutations linked to Parkinson's, such as LRRK2 and GBA1. By analyzing a person's genetic profile, doctors can estimate their risk of developing the disease and how quickly it might progress. This helps in selecting therapies that are more likely to work for each individual and in enrolling patients in clinical trials focused on specific genetic subtypes. New technologies are making biomarker testing more accessible and less invasive. For example, ultra-sensitive blood tests and AI-powered digital assessments, like analyzing handwriting or speech patterns, can be done remotely. This means more people could be monitored regularly without needing frequent hospital visits. All these developments are also speeding up drug discovery. Biomarkers can identify which patients are most likely to benefit from new treatments and help measure how well these treatments are working. This makes clinical trials more efficient and increases the chances of finding effective, targeted therapies. Despite these promising advances, it is important to remember that many biomarkers are still being validated. They are not yet standard in everyday clinical practice. Researchers continue to work on confirming their reliability and usefulness. The goal is to combine different types of biomarkers to get a complete picture of each person's disease. In summary, biomarkers hold great promise for transforming Parkinson's disease care. They can help diagnose earlier, classify disease stages more accurately, monitor progression, and personalize treatments. This approach aims to shift the focus from just managing symptoms to targeting the underlying biology of each individual. As research progresses and new tools become available, personalized medicine for Parkinson's is becoming more of a reality. But always remember, if you or someone you know has Parkinson's, it is essential to work closely with healthcare professionals to develop the best plan based on current evidence and individual needs.